Walt also didn't have to look far for the voice of Wendy. He found what he called the gentle and gracefully feminine voice in the same actress who had played Alice in Wonderland, Catherine Beaumont.
I heard about Peter Pan because the studio had started working on the writing part of it. I went directly from finishing Alice and immediately started working on the voice for Wendy.
Young Bobby Driscoll was assigned to the role of Peter.
Where's that villain, Captain Hook? I'll slice him up and throw him to the crocodile.
Oh, slave in the mirror, come from the farthest space. Through wind and rain
I am here, young mistress.
Oh my goodness, you got here in a hurry. I didn't get to finish the magic words.
Well, it so happened that I was in the neighborhood.
Hans Conried, seen here as the face in the magic mirror, was cast in the tradition of the stage play as both Captain Hook
Wasp and Peter Pan.
and Mr. Darling.
Out! Out, I say!
The second part of my performance after the recording was done was what was really making the film, although in this situation it wasn't a film the audience saw. It was only for the animators, and it basically was done so that the animator could watch the action taking place.
Get on with it, girl.
My name is Wendy. Wendy Moore Angela Darling.
Wendy's enough.